Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review at the Hub Tour, and it is giveaway day, so stay tuned. Your name just might get called. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a super short one. We're going to get in, we're going to get out, and today we're going to announce the winners of the Furious watch faces. Now, this developer, we want to give thanks to Accessory, if I pronounced that right, for the donation of these watch faces and also for the opportunity to review his products. And with that being said, let's get in. All right, now we're going to announce the winners, and number one of the Furious watch faces is going to be Howard Osborne. Congratulations, Howard. And number two is going to be William Mims. William Mims, you are a winner, my friend. And number three is going to be Nadine Khan. Now, congratulations to everybody. You know how this goes. If your name didn't get called, listen, it's just a matter of time. All right, so continue to watch the videos, continue to comment, continue to hit the like button before you leave. And if you want to see more giveaways, different giveaways, product giveaways, watch the commercials at the beginning of the video. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.